Hello, got another PR package. This is, I'm absolutely made up with this. I will be honest, I have never ever tried Varnail before. So when they reached out to me and they said, would you like to try this collection and do a video on it? I was like, of course. But their stuff looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, so we're going to give it a crack. I have took the little sticky thing off because I did have a peek. Oh, right, where are we? So on the box we've got, they're on Facebook, they're on TikTok, obviously YouTube and Instagram. But yeah, like I say, I have seen so, well, I'll open it up. So many people with these and they look amazing. How cute is that? Okay, so this is their new, it's the spring collection. So it's all pastel colours. Okay, so put them there, and we've got the instructions, professional gel polish, and I like that they've sent this, even though, you know, we're only getting gel polish. They've still got all of the detailed instructions there, how to prep, how to apply, how to remove, what layers to put on, times to cure, how to use cat eye as well. That's really good. Oh, and how to do the different effects. Oh, I need some lessons on the magnets. I just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Q&As. Oh, very interesting. So that's really good. So here we are. Vegan and cruelty free. Long lasting. They've got over 240 rich colours, highly pigmented and perfect self-leveling. Oh, interesting. And a soft arc DuPont brush. Ooh, sounds a bit fancy pantsy, doesn't it? Ooh. So that's really nice. Okay, so we have, they are HEMA free, TPO free and HPMA free as well. That's really good. So on the back of the box, the big 5 free, no formaldehyde, toluene, BHA, DPB, all of them. If I get up nice and close, if you need to read that, you can pause it. So you've got your warnings, you've got your instructions on the box, and shelf life of 3 years. Brilliant. Show your nails, shine your life. I love that. Okay, so ooh, so we've got cream cheese. Okay, orange milk, taro purple, mint cream. Oh, that one sounds nice. Tiffany blue and light salmon. These sound interesting, don't they? Right, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to get these out the box, and then we can swatcheroo them. Right, okay, so they're all out of the boxes. Each one came with one of these little swatches, which goes on the front of the bottle. I think that's really cool. Cool. Goodness me. So this is the HEMA free S20 milk candy collection. So what we will do is we will start. So we've got them in order. So number 115 is called Orange Milk. Oh, let's have a look. Oh. That is beautiful. I mean, obviously these are perfect for this time. Oh, look how well that goes on. So yeah, it's right with what it was saying with the self-leveling. But that's gorgeous, isn't it? So that one's called Orange Milk. I'll just stick that in just for a flash. Then we have 116, which is called Cream Cheese. Oh, that's a nice beige, isn't it? Cream, obviously. That's why it's called Cream Cheese. Okay. These are on the website for $49.99 for the collection. But I do have a 25% off code. Yes, you heard that right. 25%. So that is when it says $49.99. I'm not too sure on the conversion, but look how easy. Oh, sorry. And smooth that is. That is just leveled straight away. Gorgeous. So that one's Cream Cheese. And then we have Light Salmon, which is 117. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, don't plop out. I think it was going to blop out on me then. Okay. So yeah, I am loving the, oh, I just got it on the other one. The consistency. I'm loving the creaminess. I'm loving the opacity. That is beautiful. Oh, nearly splodged out again. Let me just get the, don't want you on there, that's it. So that one's the Light Salmon. Look how shiny they are as well. Now we're getting somewhere with these. Tiffany Blue, number 118. Are we excited? Oh, that's got to be like one of my favourite colours ever, apart from purple and pink and all the others. That is gorgeous. Right. I mean, with a good pastel, obviously, people will associate spring, but I mean, you can use them all year. They are just gorgeous colours. I wonder what these are going to be like to be doing art with. That is beautiful. That is a really nice pastel bluey green. I just love the shine on them. They haven't even got top coat on them yet. Okay, so now we're on to Taro Purple, which is 119. Oh, hello. Yeah. These are amazing. Varnail are really good. They do subscription boxes as well, so you get a monthly box delivered and it has everything in. So you'll get nail art, you'll get polishes, cat eye, all the tools that you need. So I think I'm going to be getting one of those for sure. That's the purple. Oh, these are just, I just love how easy they just self-level just so quickly. And they're only one coat as well, to be honest with you. I don't think I'm going to be putting 2 coats on. They seem to be covered really well. Number 120, we've got Mint Cream. Oh, 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 I love them so much. Oh, these are just stunning. That's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So it's the nice green, so give that a cure. Right then, so first impressions, really like them. We're going to do like a few little nails. I absolutely love the bottles and I can't wait to get these little swatches on. And I think that's nice. Like, if you've been on my channel before, you'll know that I like to be able to see what colours are in the bottle. So I normally have the little things that sit round, so that just slots on there like that. Obviously you'll have your colour at the back of it. And I think that's a really nice little touch. The bottles are gorgeous. It's not got any of the most the ingredients that people are mostly allergic to. They're all not in there. So yeah, I think these are absolutely bloody brilliant. So in a LED light, it's 30 to 60 seconds. I suppose that would depend on your lamp and how thick of a layer you're doing. A normal UV light is 60 to 90. Most of us do have the LED one. But yeah, so, okay. So there we go, there's them colours. And that is just one coat. I am gobsmacked, absolutely gobsmacked, and it takes a lot to shut me up. So I'll get a few little nail tips ready and we'll do a little design and see what we think. Okay, be right back. So there are the little nails that we did, and I have to say, even to use them as nail art, they are really good. I wasn't chasing it around the nail, and it didn't need a second coat. So some of them you can't put on thicker to do paintings, because then obviously you're going to need a second coat, and when you're doing little lines, that's just bloody impossible. But no, I really like those. And there's all the fantastic bottles. I absolutely love the fact that you get provided with the little swatches, and there's a little space. They're going to look lovely on the shelf. And so again, 15ml. So it's the S20 Milk Candy collection. It's got all of the bad stuff taken out. They're all HEMA free, and you know, like, that's just one coat, and that hasn't even got top coat on, and look at how bloody shiny they are. And I think I am 100% in love with these. So massive thank you to Varnail for sending me these to try. If you want to give them a go as well, I will put the Varnail link below. I also have a code for 25% off. Yes, 25%. TP. Hang on. TPP 25. Oh my days. So yeah, so get yourself some bargains, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love them. And I know the code doesn't work on the boxes, but it will work on, you know, if you're buying like sets like this. So if you got to the end, thank you very much. I love every single one of you. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you're looking for some nice pastel gel polishes, HEMA free, so they're a lot safer to use. Obviously, you've still got to continue to be safe. You've got to make sure you cure properly, you don't get it on the skin, and if you do, you remove it properly, you know, things like that. Just because they're HEMA free doesn't mean you can just slap it on. So there's these, and I'm going to stop waffling now, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm not too sure what it is. There is a Temu haul and all sorts coming up, so keep your eyes peeled. Love ya. Bye bye.